Clear taillights seem to have come and went with automotive styling. Some love them, some despise them. I'm definitely on the despise side of things.
And since I'm still waiting on the axles, I figured I'd go over the process with you guys. I first painted these when I got my white Mazda 3, and over time they did fade away, so I want to redo them. Now that I got the taillights out of the car, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sand them down a little bit and tape out the area where the reverse light turns on so that it leaves it white when the reverse light is activated. The taillights are all sanded and prepped. They're ready to be painted. What I'm going to be using is some VHT nightshade. I'm using the red version to give it that clean OEM look. A lot of people use the black one. That's up to your personal taste. It's going to look a lot nicer instead of that faded pink. It's going to be that rich red. So it's been 2 days since I painted the taillights. I did remove one of the vinyl wrap to see how the contrast would look like. I really love how the white clear contrasts nicely with the red. All that's left, I just gotta remove the tape and the vinyl wrap and then install it on the car. So the taillights are all installed on the car, and I gotta say I'm very pleased on the result. I love how the red contrasts so nicely with the blue and the overall result, how it looks on the car. Along the lines of adding more style to your car, a great way to do so is by adding a lip kit. And you can go check out that episode right here to do just that. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.